Imagine gliding across China's diverse landscapes at speeds rivaling those of a jet plane, yet with the comfort and ease of a first-class train. Welcome to the marvel of China's high-speed rail system, an epitome of modern transportation that has seamlessly woven distant cities into a closely knit fabric. Whether you're a traveler seeking to unravel China's wonders or an expat making your daily commute, understanding this rail network can unlock a new dimension of travel efficiency and comfort. China boasts the world's largest high-speed rail network. School, expansive web of tracks crisscrosses the nation, connecting major cities and regions. Like never before, these high-speed trains, affectionately named Gao Tai, can zip along at a breathtaking 350 kilometers per hour. Perfect for both long hauls and regional jaunts, these trains are favored for their speed and reliability. The network comprises major routes such as Beijing-Shanghai, Beijing-Guangzhou, and Shanghai-Hangzhou, among others. Their extensive reach ensures that almost every significant city is within grasp. Let's delve into the types of trains that make this possible. G-trains, the fast champions, soar at speeds of up to 350 km/h. Slightly slower, yet considerably swift, D-trains cruise at up to 250 km/h. For shorter journeys, C-trains offer multiple speed options, ensuring there's a fit for every travel plan. Booking tickets is a streamlined affair. Online platforms, like the official China Railway website, offer user-friendly interfaces in English. Travel agencies and third-party sites are also at your disposal, albeit with additional fees. For those who prefer the traditional route, station counters and self-service machines are your go-to. Just remember, while the machines are efficient, they might require some assistance with translation. As you prepare for your journey, choosing the right class can make all the difference. Opt for second class for essential comforts at a budget-friendly rate. First class provides extra space and amenities. For the pinnacle of luxury, business class spoils you with reclining seats and private spaces. Arriving at the station is part of the adventure. Aim to arrive at least 30-45 minutes before departure to navigate security checks effortlessly. Stations are equipped with bilingual signage and electronic boards guiding you every step of the way. Your train approaches, gates open about 15 to 20 minutes before departure. A simple ticket scan lets you proceed to your designated seat, where train staff ensure your ride is smooth and secure. Once aboard, you'll find modern seating arrangements and ample luggage storage. Onboard facilities enhance your travel with clean restrooms, dining options, and sometimes even Wi-Fi. As the train whisks you to your destination, delight in the harmonious mix of speed and comfort. Upon arrival, disembarking is a straightforward process, with clear signage leading you to exits or connecting platforms. Most stations integrate seamlessly with local transport options like buses, subways, and taxis, making the final leg of your journey a breeze. Embarking on a journey across China's high-speed rail system is more than just reaching a destination. It's about embracing the journey itself. Whether for work or leisure, understanding how to book tickets, navigate stations, and enjoy the onboard experience ensures your travels are smooth and memorable. With this guide, you're armed with the knowledge to explore China confidently, one high-speed train ride at a time.